Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we got this Pavoni professional with us in the shop. Pretty much what I did to the machine is it did a complete tune-up on the machine. I also, from the age of this machine, which is about 33 years old, I did not polish any parts of the machine because there's coating and plastic wrapping that is on it, so I did not polish any parts except for the parts that were rusty, like the lever here. That would stop us from putting the pins inside of the machine. But I also put a new pressure gauge on this one, matching colors for the machine, so it could look as original as possible. But yeah, so now we're going to test the machine. I have left it on for a while, no leaks on any parts of the machine. And now we're going to test the steam first, because the steam is easier to do. Just going to open the gauge. As you can see, working really well. We're going to close that up. We replaced all the gaskets on this machine. We did use the original shower screen because that's a really rare piece to find. So I made sure to clean it up and make sure all the holes are open, no coffee left behind. Cleaned your whole group head apart, or I took it all apart and then cleaned it as much as I could. Cleaned your portafilter as well. But now we're going to test the Pavoni shot. And how to use this machine, you're just going to pull the lever up evenly until you hear the water go in. Hold it there for 8 seconds or until you see stuff come out, and then evenly push down with even pressure to get your shot out. In these Pavoni machines, they do make smaller shots, and I also did not calibrate this machine, so don't worry if the shot comes out a little weird or looks a little strange. And there's that shot for you. That's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.